Hi, we are Group 11. We are here to present a business idea, Interior Hub, which is to reimagine the whole interior decor experience for vendors, customers, and designers. Here, we are addressing major pain points like heavy dependence on designers, multiple vendor visits, manual coordination challenges, and lack of real time catalogs, as well as transparent pricing. There are inefficiencies across the entire value chain. Our goal is to digitize and streamline what is currently a fragmented and slow industry is, making the processes more accessible and efficient for all the stakeholders. Introducing our one stop digital interior marketplace, a platform that offers categorized furniture and material catalogs, instant 3D and AR design visualization with real time pricing, integrated logistics for material delivery and worker assignments, analytics for demand trends, and vendor insights. This ecosystem benefits designers by speeding up approvals and building client trust. It also helps vendors by expanding reach beyond local showrooms with real time demand data. It helps customers by providing a seamless online interior experience. Our business model centers on creating a seamless digital ecosystem for interior decor by connecting urban homeowners, designers, and vendors on one platform. We focus on key activities like developing the platform with 3D visualization, onboarding quality vendors and designers, marketing and logistics integration. Key partners include furniture vendors, logistic providers, payment gateways, and real estate firms. Revenue comes from commissions on sales, subscription fee for premium services, and booking services charges. We deliver value by offering customer transparent pricing and easy design to execute processes, helping designers speed approvals and vendors expand reach beyond their physical showrooms. Our cost structure covers technology development, vendor onboarding, logistic coordination, and marketing reinforcing a scalable technology driven business poised for rapid growth. Now the question arises, why now? The Indian interior decor market represents a $20 billion opportunity growing rapidly at 10 to 12% CAGR. This growth is driven by high digital adoption and urban middle class demanding convenience and transparency, and advances in AR, VR, and 3D technologies becoming affordable. Post COVID shifts to digital first experiences have accelerated market readiness. Additionally, industry fragmentations, opaque cost, and slow processes highlight a critical gap that a digital marketplace is well positioned to fill in. Our vision is to build India's first fully digital interiors marketplace, connecting customers, designers, and vendors on one platform. The roadmap has three phases. Phase 1 builds and pilots the MVP with basic catalogs, 3D visualizations, and payment integration. Phase 2 expands to Tier 2 cities, adds immersive AR VR walkthroughs, and introduces premium vendor subscriptions. Phase 3 aims at market leadership and diversification, including loyalty programs and broader service offerings. Summarizing the whole idea, our venture is revolutionizing the $20 billion Indian interior decor industry by creating a comprehensive digital marketplace integrating design, material, and execution seamlessly. Using advanced technologies like 3D visualization, we directly address the pain point of trust inefficiencies and opaque pricing in the current market. Supported by a strong business model, significant market opportunity, and favorable post pandemic digital adoption trend, our phased roadmap position us to transform customer journeys and scale rapidly.